2.5 years, over 100 videos, and it's time to say goodbye. Don't hold it against me. It's just time to say goodbye to this corner and the apartment that we lived in as our first apartment as a couple, myself and my wife. However, we bought a new house, so now I've got a dedicated YouTube studio space with my guitars and my amps. So I don't have to spend an hour and a half setting up all the equipment each time I want to make a video. I can set it all up and hopefully make some much better content for you guys. So without further ado, let me show you around. Come on, let's go and take a look. Come on then. So this is my new space. And right here, the interface that I've always used, I've used it for about 8 years now, is the Onyx Blackjack by Mackie. Great preamps. Also got my NUX MG300 there, because I plan to use it just as a practice tool still. And that's my recording setup there. This is my project area, stuff I'm working on currently, so I thought I'd dedicate a little bit of shelf space to that. And then as we pan around, we've got some YouTube stuff. And this is my Ibanez AC340. Still love this guitar, still fantastic, and I still use it all the time. Over here is pedal corner. Thought I'd put some pedals in there. I've got quite a few now. Still haven't sorted out my pedal board. And did I mention I've got a few NUX pedals? I think I mentioned that in the last video. Now these pictures I actually got from Etsy, and I wanted United States Patent Office at the top, so I had to scout around to get those particular ones. So I thought they looked pretty awesome there. This is the lamp my wife bought me for my birthday. Just something I wanted. Got to have the Fender Strat sign, had it in my last studio as well. And here's my Hot Rod amp. Still love this amp, now with added Captor X on there. And that's my second Mackie Onyx interface, just so that I don't have to keep moving the interface around when I want to record guitar or I want to record vocals. As I said earlier, this is my pedal board. Still got to sort that out, put some pedals on there and give the room a real good test. And here's my beloved guitar collection. And I did put some little signs on there, and that's really geeky, I know, so I think I've revealed something about myself there. But this is the guitar collection, did a video on it recently. But I put them all on the wall now, and I used the string swing. That particular wall, I wanted a brick wall, so I found this panelling that was really, really good, and then I grouted it afterwards just to make it look right. There's the customary couch and carpet, of course. You've got to have a rug in your studio, and this is where I'm going to do all the editing, and at least I've got some space now to do it. And here's my tribute to Steve Guitar, if you made it that far, the clock on the wall. So this, my YouTube friends, is the new space. I'm going to focus the channel this year on 3 things primarily, and it's going to be gear. I'm not going to get away from that, but I just don't want to do so much of it. The second thing is going to be discovery, and the third thing is going to be collaborations. Because I want to engage more with people, I want to engage more with you as an audience, and I want to engage more with other creators, you know, get to know them, network, friendships. That's sort of what this channel is all about for me anyway. I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you enjoy the new space, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!